Whoa. What happened? And why aren't any of my spells working? What? You're destroying the universe. And so, you took your magic away from me. So now you're gonna have to be living amongst normal people. What? Whoa, what happened to my outfit? This is, what is this? Kinda like it. Weird. Must have to do something with Doctor Strange's spell. Wait, is that Doctor Strange? Oh my gosh, I haven't seen him in a while. I need to get him so we can find Mando. Oh, welcome. What can I get for you? Oh, what? Spider-Man? Oh, no way. Oh, I've been wondering if you were okay. Come on, we need to find Mando. Oh, okay. I'll be there in a second. I just need to tell my boss I need to go. So, come on, there's someone I'd like you to meet. So, first we're gonna go there, and then we can go find Mando. He's gonna help us a lot. He's a really good detective. Alright. Alright, and wait. You have a golden katana? Bro, that's so cool. Oh yeah, this thing? Oh, yeah. I have to tell you about when I got it. This katana is amazing. So it all started one day when... Oh, is that it? I finally found it. Yes. The golden katana. Oh, nothing's happening. Something's supposed to happen. I heard something was supposed to happen. Look at my sword. Nothing's happening. Huh? Whoa. What was that? Where did that come from? Hey, where'd you guys come from?
You should come here.
Whoa. What? Where are they coming from? Just... What?
Eat dirt.
So yeah, that's what happened. Oh, and here's Batman. He's going to be helping us. So.
What's this? What's this?
Oh, that. Okay. Alright, now, so that we can find Mando, you guys might be, like, kind of traveling to different places. Because you need to find Mandalorian. So, Spider-Man, you're going to stay here. Me and Doctor Strange are going to go and search somewhere else. There might be enemies, so you're going to have to fight them. And good luck. And, alright, I'll stay here, look for Mando, fight any enemies. I'll see if I can get a lead on Mando, and yeah, so we definitely need to find Mando. Where to look? What is that? Oh, and there's the enemies. There we go. Man, alright. Where are my web shooters? They're gone. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it without my web shooter. I'm so sorry. Nope. Oh, I thought I was gonna take up the lead. Gotta find a way to just stop them. What? How did that break? Oh, come on. Come on. I'm just trying to find my friend. Whoa. No. I swear, I've been here before, so I might know places to look. With that? How did you hit? Alright. Can fire? You are really bad at aiming. Stop. You're making me angry. And you wouldn't like me when I'm angry. Oh. How did I do that? Also, I feel like someone else says that line. Be a lot easier with my web shooters. I'm just awesome. You know, that hurts. Oh yeah, stick works. Ooh. No! No! Oh. Alright. Ooh. You are very hard-headed. Alright. Ooh. What happened? This looks different. It's the second time. I mean, though my suit upgrade looks pretty good. Kind of like this one. But what happened to this? Is this? Oh, no way. I haven't been here forever. It's the place in between different universes. No way. Alright, Batman. So this is the ruins. I've been here before, and I think so is Spider-Man. And I've studied it, and I think it might be able to give me back my magic, which will definitely help us find Mando and stop this whole thing. end it. So, but I need you to cover for me while I do it, because there's gonna be enemies. There always are. So, I need you to cover me while I do it. And then... Alright. I will cover for you. Alright, looks like the magic can bring over all my gadgets. And change some. No gun. What the?
You shouldn't be here.
What is this? What is this? Ah. Well, just in time, because I figured it out, and now I can do the spell. But let's just hope it does not go horribly wrong. All right, ready? Whew. I have to do this correct. Whoa, where am I now? And why do I sound like this? And who are you? I know you have a lot of questions, which I cannot answer all of them. But the world behind you is going to explode because Doctor Strange's spell that he just did. Wait, so why am I here? I could be on Earth trying to stop this. Why did you pull me here? The world's going to explode. I've already said too much. I can't tell you anymore. Wait, who are you? Why me? Why am I here? Why not anybody else? Why not everybody else? Like I said, I've said too much. And who are you? Like I said, I've said too much. But One day, all your answers. I meant all your questions will be answered. But for now, I can't tell you. I've already said too much. Wait, but you haven't actually answered anything. He's gone. So Earth is about to explode. And I'm still here. Doctor Strange is still there. So is Batman. And Mando, I think. I don't know exactly where Mando is. And literally everyone else. So, voice sounds weird. Earth's about to explode. Everybody's about to die. And it was Doctor Strange's spell? I thought he lost his magic. What? Doctor Strange? What did you do?